Welcome to my Zwift Honest Review. Watch before using. Zwift is an indoor cycling and running app designed to bring outdoor training indoors with the added advantage of immersive virtual worlds. If you're serious about cycling or running but prefer to train at home, Zwift offers a structured training experience that mimics real-world routes with customizable avatars, group rides, races, and real-time stats tracking. It integrates seamlessly with your bike trainer or treadmill, providing a more dynamic and interactive workout than simply staring at the wall. Zwift offers a wide range of training plans, making it ideal for both beginners and advanced athletes looking for performance improvements. However, it's important to note that Zwift requires specific equipment like a smart trainer or power meter, which can be an investment. While the visuals are engaging, the app can get repetitive over time, especially if you're not into competitive racing. In terms of user experience, Zwift's interface can be slightly overwhelming for first-timers due to the number of options and features, but once you get used to it, it's pretty straightforward. It's great for those who enjoy gamified fitness and want to be part of a global community, but if you're looking for simple workouts, Zwift may feel too complex. The monthly subscription is on the higher side compared to other fitness apps, but for the right user, someone who wants to simulate outdoor rides or runs indoors, track progress, and compete with others globally, Zwift is a solid option. In conclusion, Zwift is an excellent choice for committed athletes, but may not be the best fit if you're just looking for casual workouts.